Welcome to the Easy Computer Fixes channel, and this is a quick video to talk about, of course, one of the major scams that happen on PCs, and not just PCs, they happen on any device you might have, and it's phishing scams. So what are the types of phishing scams, and what is a phishing scam actually? Well, think about fishing as somebody that goes on a lake and tries to get some fish. They will, of course, put something to lure the fish so that they could bite. It's pretty much the same type of thing that's happening, but on a computer scale. They actually will do something to try to have you click on something or download something, which you shouldn't, or answer questions, very personal questions you should not answer. So some of the ones that are the most popular going on right now, PayPal. You get an email and it says, "Oh, by the way, your PayPal account has been frozen, or is has a problem, or thanks for purchasing that $500 item," and you're like, "Hey, I didn't do any transactions." And of course, this is where things are getting, are bad, because they're trying to scare you, and and when you have fear, well, you don't think right, and you often will click on things and say, "Oh, what the hell is happening?" Never click any links on these emails. Never click any attachments that might be there to. They actually will bring you malware. If you think it's possible, or if you're scared and you wonder if, just go directly to the account by yourself. Don't click any links in these emails, because the links bring you somewhere else that imitate the page perfectly. So you think that these pages are the real deal, but in reality, if you hover your mouse pointer over a link, you'll see that instead of sending you to paypal.com, for example, they're going to send you to some other weird page. So be very careful. Never click any links on these emails. Never download or click any attachments. And if a web page or if a service is asking you for too much personal details, security questions, your password, credit card information, never give any of that detail. You always do it directly from the page itself. Open a new browser page, go directly to your PayPal account by yourself without clicking any links. Check out what's happening there, and you'll see that most of the time there's nothing happening, that everything is safe. Another scam, banks. You get an email, "Oh, by the way, your credit card is a problem," or, "Oh, you got a refund," or, "Oh, your bank services have been disabled because of security." Well, if you think, or if you're scared, call your bank. Ask them, say, "Hey, I got an email that says that." They're going to tell you, "No, this is scam. This is not something that's happening for real." Go directly to your app on your phone, add tablet, or go directly to your bank information, the way you do it usually, going through the browser. Once again, don't click any links in these emails. It's very important. Never answer personal questions that ask you to confirm passwords and credit cards and all sorts of personal info. iTunes is another one that's going on. You got an Apple account, you got an iPhone, an iPad. iTunes is one of the services that's scammed the most. You get an email that says, "Oh, by the way, your iTunes account has been, disabled," or, "Oh, thanks for purchasing these apps or these things," and you're like, "Well, I didn't do any transactions." Oh, you got to verify your account information. Never, once again, click anything like that. Go directly to your iTunes account. Same for Google Play Store for Android. A lot of emails going on with fake information asking you to confirm your personal details. Never fall for that. One that's very popular, delivery companies like UPS. "Oh, by the way, we have a box for you, or we have a something for you waiting. You just need to click the invoice at the top and see all the details." Oh yeah, you're gonna get malware or ransomware that's gonna infect your PC. Maybe it's gonna ask you to give all sorts of personal details. "Oh, by the way, you got a package, but you owe us $25. Click here to actually pay the $25 fee," and nowhere you're gonna get that. Once you pay, you're gonna get that a package in your delivered. UPS doesn't work like that, and no delivery companies work like that. If they have something to ask you, they'll ask you at the door with the box. So be very careful. These are all scams. These are some of the most popular scams right now, and you got to be very careful. Share this video. There's way too many people that still don't know what this is happening, and we got to be careful, honestly, about all of it. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.